The Black Oxy kit comes with a DVD explaining everything about it, 1-inch wide tape, the cleaner, the deoxidizer, along with a number of paper application pads. As you can see by this car, these 7 Series BMWs, in many cases, get this kind of a hazy rainbow kind of oxidation. You can also clean this first with the cleaner in the kit, or you can polish it first and then make sure you clean off any kind of polish that you've put on with the cleaner. We invert the bottle at least 10 times for one of these to really saturate the pad. Then begin applying the deoxidizer. You can run a continuous stroke down. You can work that way, or you can lightly scrub it back and forth. When you apply this is because it's a wipe-on, you'll get little ridge marks. And with this formula, you're able to actually go in a number of times before it dries and smooth up any areas where you may have gotten too much on there or too little. Here you can see the little ridges in there, but when it cures, it'll be perfectly smooth. Then we can continue on while that's drying. Now we can add a few more dots on there and continue on to the next strip. If you find this is skipping at all or it's running, you're able to go back and actually smooth it up, because those little ridges that you create by dragging will go away when it's cured. Now on this strip you can either add another dot or you can continue on. In this case I think I had enough in the pad to just do the next strip. Then we add a few more and do the bottom strip. Notice I'm catching the side of the molding and the top. So you bend that little pad up over. This vertical post doesn't take much, so we didn't have to add another dot. We're going to do the second post now. I opened the door just a little bit so we don't end up getting the coating on that first post that we coated. And here you can run the pad up and down, and you can angle it to change the direction of the little drag marks too. Well, here's the first cured post. You can see how nicely it's smoothed up. Use the same procedure for the second side. This is a before shot. And after the treatment you can see how nice it looks. If you have to remove any of the coating, you can use lacquer thinner. If you put just one coat on there, sometimes you can see a little bit of a rainbow pattern in the application, so it's always good to put 2 coats on. If you have any questions, you can call us at 678-978-6995.